Okay, guys, so maybe you're a geek, maybe you're a nerd, maybe you're a coffee nerd, maybe, whatever. Maybe you're a Portland nerd or a California, Chicago nerd, something that really speaks to you. You understand you love all the gadgets for something. Maybe it's coffee. If you're watching this video, I hope it is coffee. Maybe it's lighting choices. Maybe it's salt lamps. That's me. I'm all of these things for sure. So here's the deal, guys. The other day I got an email from Trade Coffee, and I was able to choose what coffee comes my way next. And I was so excited that I was able to look through all these different specialty roast coffees and choose which one was going to be made and roasted specifically for me and then sent to me. Okay, so that made me hugely nostalgic, and I was like, I feel like a kid again, but why? What is it exactly that makes me feel like this? And I remember when I was a kid, I'd go to the library. I loved getting the Choose Your Own Adventure series books, where if it was like Batman, then you'd get to choose what Batman does next, and then you'd flip to page 36, and then you'd be like, oh no, the Joker just killed Batman. I gotta go back to that page and then choose a different one. Anyway, so it was a lot of book flipping, but it was totally a choose your own adventure that I loved. I loved all those books. And now, this is my choose your own adventure, and I freaking love it. I can't tell you how excited I got to look through and choose Burundi as my very next option.